Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Leo at number 1, followed by UNI, LTC, NEAR, MATIC, Kaspa, ICP, and then we'll end it with PEPE at number 30. Let's get straight into it. Leo against BTC. We're anticipating the wave C to complete. This looks like a rising channel to me. Something like this as well. So preceding trend, bearish, subsequent trend, bearish. Preceding trend, bearish, subsequent trend, bearish. So how much lower do I think we could go for Leo BTC? And that's a noisy area over here. So a little bit lower before a potential reversal. Could we start reversing from here? Of course. But as it stands, yeah, we are here. We are here. Leo against USD. Here we are for Leo. We're anticipating these highs to be taken out. This is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. One more wave towards the upside. So as Leo hits higher, I suspect eventually we'll see a C as well. Right, but Leo is already up and out, and we're anticipating the final wave, which is the 5th wave. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a little bit more upside, probably close to sub $7 for Leo. Uniswap against BTC. Here we are for Uniswap. Uniswap BTC doesn't look good. The moment you sweep these lows, it's open season. So we've been forming lower lows. Lower lows, lower lows. How much lower are you gonna go? I don't know. As long as we are largely under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias for Uni BTC. Against USD, Uniswap is under the skinny pink line, which means that potentially, Uniswap would complete a huge head and shoulders, heading potentially towards $1. Sadly, this is something that is that could potentially happen. So be careful about rushing into a long for Uniswap. Litecoin. What's up, Charlie? Litecoin against BTC. We are, again, largely under the skinny pink line. Trend is still uber bearish for Litecoin. Against USD, we're still anticipating Litecoin to hit $32. It just doesn't really look that good for Litecoin. If anything, I feel like Litecoin is kind of dying. So yeah, that's Litecoin for you. NEAR against BTC. Here we are for NEAR. NEAR protocol is again under the skinny pink line. The moment we cross it, actually the moment we touched it, right, you should have switched to a bearish bias. Get out rally. So you sell. Bam! Got slapped down. I suspect we could be heading back towards the skinny pink line. Right, we could see a rally first before heading any a little bit lower, but yeah, NEAR BTC is already in a bearish trend. NEAR against USD, we're also under the skinny pink line. The trend has switched bearish for NEAR. However, we've hit the resistance area over here. We've cleared all the clusters of cells over here and then rallied back up. So I'm like, is there a potential for us to hit back above the skinny pink line? Yes, but it has to be a very strong rally back up. As it stands, we're under, so we're going to remain with our bearish bias for NEAR protocol. MATIC, surprisingly, MATIC just started its rally, right? I don't know if this is a dead cat bounce or if this is the reversal rally. Again, not too sure. Anyway, we still have a target over here, 640. We're 787. Maybe this is a continuation chart pattern in the making, and then we could be heading lower. We could probably be sweeping the lows over here. So be careful about going long for MATIC. Against USD, MATIC, yeah, it's almost taking out these lows. So I would preach caution. MATIC could be completing a big descending triangle. Mountain 1, whole thing is a potential mountain 2. Mountain 3, that's it. We collapse to 10 freaking cents. So as it stands, there is still potential for us to form a squeeze over here, right? But we need to rally back up close to $1. And then we reconsolidate at $1 before continuing higher. But as it stands, it's uber weak. So be very careful. Kaspa against USD on Maxi. So Kaspa has already touched the skinny pink line. So what this means is very likely the trend is about to switch bearish for Kaspa. So if anything, we should be looking for shorts for Kaspa. Right, I suspect Kaspa will do something like this. Cross the skinny pink line, hit the support line, we'll see a bounce, and then we get a right shoulder. You can consider this whole thing as a left shoulder. And then we'll get a head. This is a head. And a right shoulder. Collapses lower. To where? 5 cents. 5 cents first, which is where this noisy area is. Right, we'll probably drop past 5 cents though. And then we'll probably reconsolidate over here. And drop even lower. How much lower? sub 3 cents maybe. But as it stands, Kaspa still is above the scalping line. Sure, we could still get another higher high. But I'm leaning towards the downside. I think Kaspa is about to hit back lower. Sure, there are calls of Kaspa for $1, but as it stands, I don't think so. I don't think so. This is the signal for prepare for shorts for Kaspa. ICP against BTC. ICP doesn't look good. We're clearly under the skinny pink line. Yeah, there could be a rally back up, which would be great. This whole thing could be a ABCD, right? Break higher. Best case scenario. But we still need to see the rally coming. Right. As it stands, yeah, we're in danger of clearing these lows. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for ICP BTC. Against USD, we still have our target over here, still loyal towards 571. We are at 744. So I suspect Kaspa is completing mountain 2. Mountain 1, we're in the midst of completing mountain number 2. Probably we'll get a 3. Descending triangle, continue lower. We're probably gonna go past $5 though. Right, the noisy area is over here. So it's, yeah, past 5. Under $5 in my opinion. I don't think we're gonna stop here. If we get a high quality bearish sharp pattern, then yeah, more likely than not, more downside. Right, this was a left shoulder, whole thing is a head, right shoulder, collapse. Under the skinny pink line, rally back up, get out rally, pump, got slapped back down. So yeah, it doesn't look that good to me. So be careful about rushing long for ICP. PEPE against USD. Here we are for PEPE. PEPE is, I'm not too sure what PEPE is doing, so we're closing in on the skinny pink line. If PEPE forms mountain ranges, then this will be very scary. But as it stands, could we still go higher? Yes, of course. I don't see the strength though. So I would preach caution for PEPE. I think PEPE is about to breach the skinny pink line. I would love it if I could see a strong push towards the upside. But as it stands, we're closing in on the skinny pink line. Once we touch it and we slice through it with volatility, then that's it. That's the end. So yeah, be careful about going long for PEPE at this point of time. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the top 30. See you in the next one.